All right, guys, here's why your luxury real estate strategy isn't working at all. You're stuck managing tasks that don't even scale, chasing unqualified leads, and juggling showings. Also, sending manual follow-ups. Meanwhile, those top high-level agents, they're using automation to dominate their market. Now let me show you how they're turning their time into profit without sacrificing their exclusive edge, and close deals even faster. So in the next few moments, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it. But first, thoughts of the diligent tend only to plentiness, but everyone that is hasty only to want. That's Proverbs 21:5. See, this verse is so important because it tells me that careful planning and strategy, like leveraging automation, leads to abundance in any endeavor, including your real estate business. Luxury real estate isn't just about selling houses, it's about selling a lifestyle. But let's face it, you're spending hours chasing those unqualified leads. Your inbox is just flooded with follow-ups, leaving little time for those important VIP clients. And you're managing endless open houses and showings with no clear way to prioritize the hottest prospects. Even in the high-end market, many agents miss out on deals because they're just stuck managing these tasks manually. However, imagine having an automated system that attracts these elite buyers and nurtures their interest effortlessly. And it can schedule property viewings with no back and forth emails, taking up your valuable time. Here's what automation can do for your business. First of all, lead generation, that high client lead generation, high value clients. Because your custom luxury listings, they're promoted through automated campaigns that drive traffic right to your site. Secondly, it nurtures those high value leads. Once someone expresses their interest, they're automatically just guided through personalized follow-ups that build up trust and excitement. Next, and this is something that I actually hate, is scheduling. Let's make it effortless. Clients can book property tours on your calendar without needing your personal assistant's help. It's not just about saving time, it's about elevating your brand as that luxury realtor. Now here's a playbook to automate your luxury real estate business. I gotta iterate. Lead magnet automation. Create a high-end property guide or market trend report, or be creative, whatever you want to make up. That's a good lead magnet. Set up an automated email sequence for everybody who downloads it, nurturing them with the VIP high quality content. Now this is very important, and I didn't see how valuable it was until recently, and that's your CRM, or customer relation management tools. This will track your potential buyers' interests, whether it's waterfront mansions, penthouses, islands, whatever. All right, next up, calendar management. Automate appointment scheduling for showings and consultations with built-in reminders to ensure no one misses a meeting. And most importantly, your reputation. After every single closing, request testimonials effortlessly, so you can showcase these future success stories to your other high-end clients, putting you as the luxury expert realtor. So if you're serious about dominating the luxury real estate market, now is the time to step up. The top agents in 2025, they're not working any harder, they're working smarter with automation and other great tools. So here's your next step. Click the link below to get your free luxury real estate automation audit. Next, schedule a strategy session with our team and we will create a unique plan for your business. And watch your listing sell even faster and your client base will grow effortlessly. Because luxury buyers, They expect the best. So let automation help you deliver it. Click below and take the first step now. If you guys want to see any other helpful videos, check out a couple here on the channel. I love to help coaches, real estate agents, anybody who really wants to attract that high value client so they can deliver the best value to them as well. Hope this helped, guys. Have a great day.